How to manage payment methods in Agoda app. In order to manage payment method on Agoda app, user can update credit cards on PayPal in their account profile under payment methods. What you need is open the Agoda app on your device. Go to the more section from the bottom right corner of the screen. There you have coupons, cashback, all that stuff. You just want to scroll down and look for payment section. If you cannot find one, you just want to go to the profile section. You could also find it here in the payment section, or you could just go to my safeguard. This is where you can go ahead and tap open it up and start linking your bank account. So once again, for the verification, you might be asked to sign in with your Google account or with your ID. And once you're done signing in, what you need is, so this is where you can go ahead and store credit card details here, and you could just go ahead and tap open it up and start adding in your card. And that's how you can manage payment method in Agoda. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.